It's very important, friends, to inspect and clean your air conditioner filter, especially during these times. I could even see some of this lint there, that fine particulate matter on that filter, and I'm placing it against white paper here so you can really visually see this whole area in here needs to get cleaned. And the dirtier that this is, this intake portion of the fan, it's giving more work for the compressor and everything to function. So you really want this filter clean to easily intake that air, and then the blower fan comes out of this portion up top. So again, check out my videos on how to clean this very lightly with dish soap. Be very gentle with it, and also be careful seating it back in here too. And I have videos on that as well, how to seat in your air conditioner filter carefully so it stays in the track and does not get stuck. Please watch my videos on those as well. I've got 2 or 3 of them up here for you. And yeah, just wanted to show you this morning because I'm actually going to clean this. And this is the dirtiest this has been in some time. I have been running this more recently, so it's really good to see that this filter is working. Time to clean it.